a record is a special kind of class in Java which is designed to hold the immutable data. So it automatically provides the following functionalities. For example, the constructor for all the arguments, the accessor methods to get those values, and equals and hash code contract, for the uniqueness of the object, and the toString implementation. So without record, okay, we have to write the code in such a manner that we have to, if you're writing an immutable class, we have to mention the constructor, you have to mention each of them as a private final. Then we have to use the getter methods here, write the equals and hash code contract, as well as implement the toString method here. So if you see, there is a lot of boilerplate code here, but by using the record data, using the record, then we can just reduce this boilerplate code. So with just one line of code, we can just remove all the boilerplate codes. Okay, as mentioned in the below functionality, so it will just provide all the it will provide the constructor for it, the accessor method for it, and equals and hash code method for that specific class, and toString implementation. Don't have to write all this boilerplate codes. We'll get the record in the following manner. Okay, so what are the functionalities of, for example, it is immutable by default. Okay, all the fields are final and set via the constructor. Okay, and we have the canonical construct, wherein we have the automatically generated constructor with all the components, and then we will have the accessor method. So you don't get a get method per se. We'll just will get something like, if at all you're having a name like a field like a name, so you'll get something like name not get something like get name method. Okay, and you cannot extend any other class. So records implicitly extend the Java underlying record. Okay, so you cannot extend any other class with it. You can use records to implement the other interfaces, and also you can define the custom methods. Methods inside. So we'll see all this thing using the code example. Okay. So also we can customize the record. So we can add the validation in the constructor. We can add additional methods if we want here. We can add static fields or methods inside the records, and we'll see all those things using the code. So where are they used? Okay, mostly in the data transfer objects, where the purpose of the object is just to hold the data and use for transfer. For the configuration objects, wherein we use the config values which are static in nature and rarely change, so there we can use this configuration records.